Here's a little tutorial of how to play Amazing Grace. Before you start, make sure your left hand, you've got finger 2 on C before the 2 black keys, your thumb on D, and your right hand, you're skipping E, and you are putting your thumb on F, G, A, skip the note B, and place your 5th finger on C. So you're using 5 notes, C, D, F, G, A, and the C that you have below also repeats higher, up an octave. So here's how to play Amazing Grace. Make sure that you keep your fingers in this position and count. This time I will count it out loud so you can hear the beats, how long to hold it. So you have an upbeat, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You may have noticed that my question phrase ends on a long C. So I counted 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3. It's almost like having 6 counts on C when you reach the top. When you do your answer phrase, and I finished on F, which is my tonic, you will have to also count that for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have a total of 6. Make sure that you keep holding and counting. That will be the best for your practice.